Hi everyone, we are now looking at the month of October and what does it have in store for us. October would be a month of contemplation. It would ask you questions. It would tell you to look at least one area of your life that you want to focus on and you want to bring changes into, be it your health, your finances, or your careers. So we look at the first zodiac sign, and that's for you, Aries. Now, for you, Aries, firstly and most importantly, from the career and the business perspective, it is a pretty stable month. Any one of you who have relationships, any ties got to do with multinationals would be of great gain and it would be very profitable for you this month. Yes, you need to avoid any kind of conflicts or any arguments in the business and on the career front. Have all your tasks and have all your obligations completed, and that would be of great help to you. From the finances bit as well, the first half is stable, but the second half does see a lot more expenditures coming your way. From the health perspective, this is a month wherein you need to address any kind of prolonged issues, any health related issues, anything got to do with the genital area. And yes, you need to avoid taking too much of stress from now onwards. From the relationship perspective, some of you have been having some marriage plans. October, the first half especially, is a good time for you to go ahead and close those discussions, close those plans in the first half of October. Some of you who are already in relationships, it is time for you to focus on your relationships, complete your obligations and your responsibilities. Give your family, give your relationships, give everyone time, and people want your time, and complete your relationship chores and your tasks which have been pending for quite some time now. Overall, as a remedy for you this month, you need to cut down on your salt intake and you need to give some more time for some prayer and meditation. I'm Sharon S. Monaja with Avenues, and if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected for so much more in store. Thank you all so much.